A story of pride and hope. Hook Up the Musical enjoyed a remarkable audience turnout during its first stage reading on Friday, June 28 at the Quest Hotel and Conference Center, Cebu. This all-Cebuano musical not only showcases stories from the LGBTQIA+ community, but also encapsulates the journey of the protagonist, Manny, who is HIV positive and has not disclosed his sexuality to his family.
It's pretty difficult. Because as for myself, di man ko HIV positive. So I really need to understand unsa lang situation. So ako lang gilok in my personal life, mga same kind of like same na situation na murag sa akong tanaw mao pud lang na feel, but at least when I portray the character, I can show the emotions of kung ano ang ilahang mga na feel bitaw as a HIV, HIV positive person.
One of the characters, Tim, the love interest of Manny, is played by John Echeverria. Echeverria shared his fulfillment from participating in this stage reading, especially valuing the real-time feedback from the audience. He emphasized the importance of keeping an open mind when meeting new people, particularly those who are HIV positive, stressing that being HIV positive is not a death sentence.
We just really have to open our minds and really open our hearts and be educated. Like you do the initiative to educate yourself, because it is 2024 and HIV is not a death sentence anymore. We've come a long way since the 80s, so it is really about opening your heart.
Jude Gitamondoc, the show's writer and director, shared that this production holds a unique place in his heart among all his works. In an exclusive interview with MyTV Cebu, he admitted experiencing some hesitation about bringing this story to the public.
The biggest struggle was with myself. I was really hesitant to write this because a lot of it is very personal, and I was quite afraid and apprehensive at the beginning of the process. I knew that idea was good, but I didn't at that time when we started. I didn't have the courage to really pursue it until the pandemic happened, and then I had a lot of time, and then I really searched deep and realized that this is a story that really I want to tell. And from then on, it's been still a struggle, but still I kept pursuing, and there's been a lot of good people that are behind me that are my inspiration. So, nagpadayon ko.
A stage reading is a form of theater where the cast remains seated and reads from their scripts. Mentoring from the audience follows, which is crucial for the creative team to receive feedback and make improvements to their performance.
I expect that ang kanibitang stage play is going to be very successful in a way that it does not only become successful as a play itself, but as well as the message na iyahabitang i-relay sa tong community. Right now, it's Pride Month. And ganahan ako nga ang kaning stage play would open the minds and open the eyes of our community to become accepting already of our LGBTQIA+ community.
Okay, son. I trust you. But if it's not too much to ask, I hope you will learn to trust me too.
Hook Up the Musical is scheduled for another staged reading in November, with a full production set to debut on December 1, 2024, coinciding with World AIDS Day.